Okay, so if I just open my app file, and then we have lots of stuff, for example, our controllers, right? And all the files basically are middlewares or controllers, or if you just open up kernel, all these have a namespace called app, right? And if you just go to this is handling by composer, and then it's loading by PSR4, right? There are lots of auto loads, so you can see this is the namespace app, and which basically the namespace is for the app folder, app directory, right? So we can also change it from here. For example, if you want to change it with your, for example, business name, your own application name, you can just change, and then it would be a hard work to go to every page and then change the namespace. So Laravel provides you a command. For example, if you just say PHP artisan, and then there is a command called app name, right? Set application namespaces. Basically app is a namespace, and then we can, for example, this is app HTTP controllers, or for example we have user app namespaces app, and then if you create a controller, and then we can simply say use app/user, right? And then okay, so if you just go to command line, and then I'll simply say PHP artisan app name, and let's just generate a new namespace. Let's say, for example, in our case, I'll just call it fresh app. The camel case would be I think better. For example, you can say fresh app name or namespace. So I'll just let it fresh at the moment. So if I just press enter, you can see application namespace set. So if you just go to every file, you can see now the namespace has been changed. Okay, so if you just go to our terminal, and then again say app, and if you just press enter, there we go, the namespaces has been changed, right? This is quite useful if you want to change your namespaces. This is also useful tool to help us, right? Okay, so this was the app name. It will generate a namespace and change the namespace, set the namespace for our application, right?